How to block a Lost Heartland Bank Card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To block a Lost Heartland Bank Card, just head over to your any of your browser and make sure you're logged into your Heartland Bank Card online banking account. And once you successfully log into your account, just head over to your option or menu and simply click on Manage Card section to block the card. And if you're using Heartland National mobile app to block your card, you can just go to the card control feature and simply block the card from the over there. Or if anything doesn't work for you, you should just immediately contact Heartland Bank by phone. You can call their customer service at this line, which is shown on your screen over here. And during the business hour, or you can also call this another number for after hours assistance. So once you immediately call the provided numbers to report the lost card, just be prepared to provide any other details such as your card details or any other information requested by the customer service representative to verify your identity. And once they verify your identity, just ensure the representative confirms that the card has been blocked and that you will receive a replacement card. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.